Today we're looking at Vidu Q3, sponsored by Incogni. Vidu is an AI video creation platform that transforms prompts, images and references into high quality cinematic videos with impressive visual consistency. Ideal for storytelling, lifestyle content and advanced multi-reference video generation. Let's go in. So first you go on vidu.com. Here we have an overview about the tool. You can create stunning AI images and video creations all in one platform. Just hit try Vidu. After signing up you come to this page here. Here you can see all features of Vidu, like reference to video, image to video, you have templates, motion control, a story grid, AI video cutter and more. On the bottom you see some community results which are astonishing. First we want to create images. Just click on generate image. On the left you see reference to image and text to image. On the text to image you have different options like the model. You have the top models available like Nana Banana Pro, Nana Banana 2 and more. You can change the resolution up to 4K, different aspect ratios and the amount of pictures. In our case we have a prompt of an ultra-realistic cinematic desert landscape during golden hour. A powerful off-road dune buggy is parked at the top of a massive sand dune. Then a helmet driver sits behind the wheel with both hands ready to accelerate. We want 4 images and we just hit create. And on the right you see the generations and all of them are just awesome. Let's look through them. Here the desert landscape with our buggy and our driver, working great. Next image, again, just awesome. Here our prompt with the golden hour is more accurate here. Still realistic, cinematic, ready to use for your further production. At the reference to image you can upload images or references. For example, you can use your own character. In our case we have a red-haired woman. You can create new references, just click on the plus button. Here you can upload your pictures. We have this red-haired woman. You can add additional images to have different angles to have a more consistent result. Red-haired woman. You can add voices to your character. Let's try something.
Welcome to text-to-speech.
Welcome to text-to-speech.
You have also multi-language support, which is amazing. Once you're done, you can choose your character here. You can see it's in the prompt now. You can just type in like sits in a cafe, drinking a coffee. We want one image, hit create. And as you can see, astonishing result here. Cinematic quality, 1080p. Exactly what we wanted, our custom character perfectly fitting in the scene, drinking a coffee in a cafe. It's just awesome. You can now download the image, save it, share it. You can also upscale it or add it to your references. Before we continue, this video is sponsored by Incogni. Every week I sign up for different AI tools, platforms and online services, and most people don't realize how much personal information can end up publicly online. Data brokers and people search sites can collect and publish information like your name, email, phone number or even your home address. And that data can make things like AI-powered scams, fraud or impersonation much easier. It handles the removal process for me, automatically sending removal and follow-up requests across more than 420 harmful sites. And here in the dashboard I can actually see the request and track the removal progress. With an Incogni Unlimited plan there is also the exposure scanner, which searches for places where your personal information appears online and surfaces those exposures in one place. You also get a risk assessment refreshed every 30 days with personalized insights into your privacy progress. So if you want Incogni to help to get your personal information off the market, just use the link in the description with the code eigiandai and get a 60% off the annual plan. So protect your data and get back control of your online privacy with Incogni. Here at the text to video feature we have again a prompt. You can choose from different models. You can use the Vidu Q3 for multi-shot scenes, audio and video sync. You have a duration up to 16 seconds, 1080p output. You have also a creation mode where you can choose between cinematic and flash. Flash is for blazing speed, ideal for daily creativity. Cinematic is better for motion details. We want motion and details. One amount, hit create. So we have a prompt of a modern Silicon Valley conference room during a startup investor pitch. Looking great so far. Another example of a NASA mission control center before rocket launch. Let's have a look.
All systems are green.
Also pretty nice. A woman walking through New York City. We did the same prompt just with our custom character. Let's have a look. As you can see, a multi-shot scene perfectly showing our custom character with our red hair woman. And that's the good thing about Vidu. With Vidu Q3 you can do multi-shot scenes with your custom characters or references, which could be like objects or something else, to create your custom video. Here another example, a more cinematic scene with dialogues between our custom character and a man in a locker room.
The mission failed.
We're done.
Cinematic quality, character consistency, lip sync, everything is there. Awesome. Now our buggy image from before, image to video feature, putting in a prompt, and let's have a look. So you can not only produce beautiful landscape videos, you can do also actions, clips like this one, working great in Vidu. If you liked Vidu, just click the link in the description to try it out. See you in the next one.